Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. Interior designs play a pivotal role in transforming a kitchen from mere functional space into a stylish and inviting hub of the home. One key element that can dramatically enhance the ambience of any kitchen is lighting. Here are some kitchen lighting ideas to consider. Firstly, task lighting is crucial for ensuring functionality in the kitchen. Under cabinet lighting, pendant lighting over the island or countertops and recent lights above workspace can provide ample illumination for cooking and food preparation. Secondly, ambient lighting sets the overall mood and atmosphere. Consider installing dimmable fixtures or even LED stripes along the crowd molding to create a soft, inviting glow. This can make the kitchen feel cozy and accommodating for various activities, from casual family gatherings to intimate diners. Thirdly, accent lighting can be used to highlight space design features or decor elements. For instance, adjustable track lighting can draw attention to artwork, open shelving, or a unique backsplash. This adds character and depth to the kitchen's visual appeal. Fourthly, natural light should not be overlooked. Minimizing the use of windows, skies, or glass doors can infuse your kitchen with a refreshing dun of natural daylight. To control light and privacy, consider installing window treatments like blinds or curtains. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of color temperature. Warm white light can create a cozy, inviting ambience, while color white light can give a more modern and energetic feel. Combining effort, different color temperature strategically can add depth and character to the space. In conclusion, interior design kitchen lighting ideas should balance functionality and aesthetics to create a kitchen that is both visually appealing and highly practical. The right lighting choices can transform the essential space into the heart of your home, where style and functionality seamlessly coexist. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.